Majidana Mahrutman, Khanyisa Mayo, officially and finally has arrived at Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs player arrived on loan from CR Belouizdad, Yase Algeria, a season-long loan with an option to buy at the end of the season. Umayo, i-contract yakhe ne-CRB iphela ngo-2027. How does Umayo fit into a setup, a coach Nazardine Nabi? How does it fit the starting lineup in the team? How does the team accommodate Umayo? And it changes Zabakhona. You have to put your best players in the same team at the same time. Because as a coach, you must find a solution and a way to put zonke i-best players on the field. Unabi uzokwenza lonto, move a key player from his position to a different position in order for by say Umayo na abekhona, because now Umayo is a key player. There's a lot of video. There's a lot of talk about say Umayo is a striker, is center forward, and from a conversation in this bio, if fans needs is if you say Umayo is a center forward at Kaizer Chiefs. Umayo is versatile. First of all, Umayo can play as a winger, a right winger. Apparently, as a center forward, a striker, and a little bit as a number 10. But in main positions, center forward, striker, and right wing. A right wing. A goal scoring, a scorer 8 goals. Kaizer Chiefs, kudala ngenayo right winger enjeyana. Think about Monapole Saleng, Orlando Pirates. Saleng was the goal scoring winger. A right wing, kabang left, a right wing, a shaya umnata enje. Maha unkota wafika nayo, a right winger, a shaya umnata, a left foot yake. Mayo is supposed to play a similar role Kaizer Chiefs. Reminding ngani bafika support i-channel ingalibali ucofe ulike apha ezantsi okanye if yaqala udibana ne-channel ushaye subscribe ungalahli ngephoso eziwezi-grand ngotsho bafika banintsi abanabukela i-channel but kuse bathi bayancanya but kuse 80% ayika-subscribe ungalahli cofe subscribe apha ezantsi ngotsho bafethu ngona explain apha kule video bakuse umtshita Umayo grand his best football his career yakhe he scored the most goals as a center forward as a striker Umayo and last season CRB bedlala as a striker i-career yakhe Umayo I have the numbers here in fact Umayo career yakhe una 21 goals as a striker and then as a right winger una 7 goals, but because of you look at Kaizer Chiefs players ezinazo kwi positions as wide plus like center forward, from that Kaizer Chiefs ke ngoku kule video ngizo explain basijonga kutheni zamdlalisa wide and why kutheni azodlala la role ka Mohamed Salah naye sorry ke Liverpool he left winger, he left footer, edlala as a right winger, scorer 8 goals. So ngcola ngalo yapha kule video bafethu. So Khanyisa Mayo bafethu ayso stranger ke Betway Premiership, which is a plus level for Kaizer Chiefs. But okay, Umayo akazodinga uadapta Kaizer Chiefs iBetway Premiership uyazi le league and proven kule league. Sesukuba i-top goal scorer apha kule league ngo-20 ngala nyaka. And except Umayo una 27 years old, which is like the prime, the peak of the career yakhe umchita. Why 27? Why 27 prime career? 27 player at that age physically best yayo in terms of fitness yayo, stamina sayo plus the confidence yayo at that age 27 is away the maximum high ngizazipini. And the player at 27 in a less injuries compared to 30s early 30s. So 27 he peak nyanyane bafethu in terms of football. And most importantly, say a player under 27 machita, he has understand tactics, yakwazi urida football, yakwazi urida game. Mentally, yakwazi when decisions ebaleni. So again, that is why I say player like 27, peak, prime yayo as a football, career yake. So far Umayo nomchita career yake, he has played 8 seasons career yake at the age of 27. And so far scored 37 goals. 21 of those goals have been as a center forward. But my fair to logic is that again is mentioned at the top of the video, but you have to put in your best players, find a way to fit in your best players as a coach. You understand? So Kaizer Chiefs in this transfer window 40 is signing 2 new strikers, 2 center forwards, or number 9 by 2 box strikers machita. So it would not make any sense by say Jonga Kaizer Chiefs dlalise Umayo as a striker. About Jonga, the main purpose Kamayo Kaizer Chiefs being a striker, because the Kaizer Chiefs is sign 2 strikers, 2 foreign strikers, 40 foreigners. And why I emphasize the way foreigners but to a team, how we team anywhere in the world, when you're signing a foreign player as a player ehlala ebenchini. I-foreign players maybe player is useful and one of the most used players because i-foreign sport, so i-Betway Premiership for each club you're only allowed to sign 5 foreign players. So maximize if you go to any team afethu apha kwi-Betway Premiership, if ekuse ubona i-foreigners afana ubona i-foreigner ehlala ebenchini. Next time most of the time i-foreigners highly paid bafethu, amachita high earners, so you can't put i-foreigner on the bench. Umayo doesn't make sense for the Kaizer Chiefs fike umayo abe center forward and Kaizer Chiefs i-foreigners azo ehlala ebenchini. Kodwa kuse abantu basuka orkani as internationals futhi bane experience udlala i-AFCON qualifiers, i-World Cup qualifiers, ayispani ayihlangani way enjalo. So umayo, as much as bakusema his best football has been as a center forward, Kaizer Chiefs zamdlalisa wide. Another reason for that is the Kaizer Chiefs ayinazo i-solutions, ayinayo i-output idingayo for i-team efuna winner i-silverware from i-wide positions. Kaizer Chiefs ayinayo la output. I-modern football funeke ube ne-goal scoring wingers. I-modern football ngayekona kweyiphi na i-club olunopharis senenze umzekelo ngayo. Yabona ngokuse before u-Apollos bafethu player e-wide nese u-Apollos uscora i-goals e-right footer futhi umjide udlala lawe left is a left winger, right foot. And modern football bafethu uya-inverter umjide adlala elayinini athi nca elayinini, uya-inverter ashaye i-goals nge-right foot yakhe. Umfoke engayi sebedlala as a left winger, a-right footer. La match bengichaze iwona apha at the top of the video. Saleng was a left footer adlala right. Unkotha left foot adlala right. Kaizer Chiefs haven't had those players. Grand kuse bekhona umchana Umfundo Vilakazi i-left footer and sebedlala e-right umfundo ngoba kusenoni akayowinga akadlali on the line, uya-inverter ascore i-goals nge-left foot yakhe. Umayo una more experience and he can make better decisions than Umfundo Vilakazi. And so Umfundo Vilakazi is a player ekwazi ufunda from Umayo and then he compete in Umayo. Not that Jonga, it's not going to be ayizuba yiwe bakhe Jonga straight up umbhobho ba okay Jonga uthatha indawo ka Umfundo Vilakazi Umayo. No, it's a competition and it's uzo improve a young man. Na young man esenayo ngoku igame yakhe uzayilifta ngoku sezocompete and sezofunda kumayo ba say hey okay iwe so i-bonus lo way i-benefit for Umfundo Vilakazi ayo disadvantage bakhe izothathwa indawo yakhe. So the way it's not just about a decision against the Kaizer Chiefs, but it's the way modern football is shaped in a corner bafethu. But okay, you must have wingers, inverted wingers, chiwo. Inverted wingers get goal scorers ke machita. In the past football, wingers just can create goals for the strikers. In the modern game, thanks to a special player, generational talent, generational yonke indo, Mohamed Salah umchita nguye almost a pioneer yala position Umayo. I mean Salah Mohamed Salah almost like a pioneer inverted winger. Phele kuzwa even nalo phrase nalo term ngokuba sejonga kuthiwa inverted winger bakuse angomlo dlala elayinini. Mohamed Salah Salah uscora 20 plus goals every season. For the past 5 seasons Salah scored 20 goals or more as an inverted winger. And then modern football kabakholo way ngoku and se Umayo expected madlala lo role Kaizer Chiefs. Ukhona Etiosa Igodara goal scoring center forward Kaizer Chiefs egqiba umsayina. Ukhona Flavio Silva center forward Kaizer Chiefs egqiba isayina. Umayo, why would Umayo sebe center forward ahlalisela amajita ebenchini? Doesn't make sense bafethu. So if wena bonqanela kanye ufuna Umayo abe striker, sure ingenzeka lo way, but ayenzi sense. And when as a Kaizer Chiefs fan, wouldn't you want back to Jonga Umayo abe khona plus namachita striker ascora goals u Igodaro plus no Flavio abe khona bebaleni instead of back semahlalise benchini. So Umayo as a wide player is going to be used and is going to fit Kaizer Chiefs njalo. And again forward line Kaizer Chiefs ne key player bafethu dlala as a right winger. And umchita score goals be top goal scorer Kaizer Chiefs. Efike ngoJanuary umchita already kuse wascora 6 goals by top goal scorer Kaizer Chiefs last season. Thetha ngobani? Thetha ngestoki sabantwana. uClaude Lelepo be right winger. Claude Lelepo to accommodate Umayo. uClaude Lelepo uzomove to left wing. Umchita azoba inverted left winger so that azokhatha in ascore goals nge right foot yakhe. Mayo abengene phaa kula right winger, abe inverted right winger, akhathe in ascore goals nge-left foot yakhe. Umayo uzongena kula right wing as an inverted right winger, and then Lilope uzomova aye left wing, abe inverted left, akhathe in ascore nge-right foot yakhe. And then i-competitors zikhona phaa kweza wings. Ukhona Arsenal Velepai izocompete nala Machita. Arsenal Velepai phofu ngathi izocompete nala Machita. Arsenal Velepai i-best position yakhe inoni i-left wing. Umchita izocompete no Lelepo phaa. And how's that futhi kuse i-grand for Kaizer Chiefs bene top players ezicompete kwi-position eyi-1. uVelepai izocompete phaa no Lelepo once abavelepo. Then Umvino Vilakazi izocompete no Mayo phaa for i-right wing. Then ezinye players compete for number 10 position striker yonke lo way. So nazo bafethu kuse mna uMayo noMwama Kejonga. Poof, I think obviously jambile. Unless kusejonga Kaizer Chiefs zophela ingabi na choice. Okanye kuse tactical, it depends on tactics ne game. Bajonga adapted to i-game. Okay, ajonga man in this game sidlala against a team in a high line, especially team ezifana ne-Sundowns, so kanye Pirates. Therefore kusejonga nifuna i-striker zospanisa i-speed emva kwabo bobani. Kusenifuna i-striker technical and it says esi high running. Umayo ngaqala the center forward tactically, and then but most of the time Kaizer Chiefs izodlala ne-deep blocks, say team is defender deep better premiership. Apho awunobeka uMayo phana, so abantu kuse abakhulu abanamandla aba-physical bangadlala phaa center forward ba uIgodaro uFlavio Silva. Umayo awunomdlalisa apho. That's why again kuse uMayo for the Kaizer Chiefs angadlala as a winger, ebekwazi ukudlala center forward kwi-team ezifana ne-Cape Town City. Napha team sokuyo i-CR Belauzidad, because say Cape Town City bengadibane deep blocks, i-team izingavele zidepende deep, izingavele zidefende deep against Cape Town City. Bedlala i-mid block okanye kuse zidlala i-high line. Umayo benazo space sokwenza i-runs, uspanisa i-technical quality yakhe i-CR Belauzidad plus ne-Cape Town City. Kaizer Chiefs izodibane defenders kuse ne-defensive lines zihlale back, so Umayo akazukwenza nix, akazukwazi funa umuntu ospanisa amandla wakhe. So Umayo right wing bafethu. Enye into ekusefuneke ijongwe plus kuse ucoach Nathaniel Napi ayi-maximize zi-combinations bafethu. Xa uyi-right winger okanye left winger funeka ukwazi kuse ukwenza i-combinations with i-full back yakho, i-right back okanye i-left back. Kaizer Chiefs bengakwazi umaximize grand. Uyabona ngoku ever since efikile uThabiso Monyane umchita so far uyaperforma grand, but kuse akabikho kula high level yakhe because kuse umchita akwazi ucombine grand out edlala phambi kwakhe. Umayo i-right winger mose kusethanda ungena drifter in Umayo. Lo way i-allow kuse umjita uThabiso Monyane for bakuse Thabiso Monyane makapushe up enzele wethu overload kila way ki-full back izabe imakene noMayo. And say Umayo mosman if i-full backs bafethu they hate umaka i-winger enjeyana inverted winger, because kusela inverted winger if kuse uyayipushela for bayise maye wide, bayise maye ecaleni, ucreate ispace for bayise ithi gqi full back, ithi gqi uMonyane kuseyathatha space bayise jonga uMayo, wena full back uzompushela elayinini, bayise athi gqi uMonyane angene phaa kula channel. And then ke ngoku if kuse uMayo umdrifter in wena as a full back, bayise jonga umjita umpushela in, bayise mangene inside uyeke position yakhe ngoba bayise jonga finisher score. Kanye kuse uThabiso Monyane yena is a right back uzogqipha ngenesa space sipha wide for bayise jonga ashaye i-cross. So inverted wingers enjalo uLilepo bengakwazi uyenza effectively lo way because kuse uLilepo i-winger edlala elineni phakla right back, umchita phakla right wing umchita kuse bedlala elineni ingca elineni nyanyane phakuse out uMonyane bengakwazi kuse ubomba. So uMonyane bengakwazi kuse ubomba e-front with Umayo uzokwazi umjita pha. So another reason why Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ku grand for bayise Umayo mandlalise wide. So nazo bafethu nanso i-setup ne-fit for Umayo Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, inverted winger, i-right winger, not i-center forward, unless i-tactical demand game ithi kusemadlala center forward. But primarily ndakhumsha ke manje Umayo uzoba yi-winger for Kaizer Chiefs, right wing okanye inverted winger. Zithini ezeni comments bafethu, ezeni views masinqola pha i-comments bafethu. Cela ngalibali usupport channel, shaye ulike apha ezantsi okanye if eqala udibana channel ungalahla ngiphosa wezigram, shaye usubscribe. Umayo Kaizer Chiefs, watch bafethu, iligate izoba mnandi. Orlando Pirates izotshisa, Kaizer Chiefs izotshisa, Sundowns izotshisa, watch.